Alright guys, what is going on? Bo Million here, back at you with another video. We're going to do a kind of a product system review. I want to go ahead and start off by saying that I am, as a detailer, an enthusiast, and not an enthusiast as an enthusiast detailer, but I love and appreciate all different forms of assessing a vehicle, all different processes and systems. I think everything holds value, and I think every different way of washing, detailing, approaching a vehicle holds merit. And so I want to talk about something that has a lot of stigma against it. I personally don't use that much, but it's actually the way that I started off my business, and it was able to get me afloat, and it was a system in which I was able to go ahead and start making money off of, and that's actually doing what we call a waterless car wash. Now, of course, the preferred method amongst detailers is you get the water tank, the generator, the pressure washer, the foam can. You use 10 ounces of soap per vehicle, you know, but honestly, that's not always necessary. And it's not even necessary to run a business that way. So I kind of want to show you today about the waterless car wash technique. And so this is a product that I've had a hold for a while. This is 3D's Waterless Car Wash. This is the old label. So for you guys who follow up with 3D International, you can definitely tell this is an old label. But the 3D's Waterless Car Wash, I do like it because it is a great cleaner. It's great at emulsifying dirt. It's great at picking up any loose contaminants on the surface of the vehicle or whatever you're cleaning. Of course, you can use it on painted surfaces, windows, interiors as well. It works great on interiors, rims, tires. Not the most effective because it's obviously pH neutral, but it will work on tires in light maintenance situations. I love it because I can use it as, of course, a glass cleaner. I don't prefer it as a glass cleaner, but it does work that way. But also, it's great as a claybar lubricant. And so I want to show you guys today, I kind of want to get to it. This is my Blackfire clay mitt, so we'll get to that soon. I'll show you guys and talk about that a little bit. But I have my 3D's Waterless Car Wash in a 32-ounce quart-sized bottle. And unlabeled, because like I said, I don't use it that much anymore because now I do use the foam can and I do have the pressure washer. But it is effective, and I want to kind of show you how to do it. So basically, put a nice even mist around the surface that you're looking to work on. Of course, you do want to mist your microfiber towel, your soft plush microfiber towel. You want to mist it. See, just a nice light mist. And you want to go ahead and pick up, moving and rolling your towel over as you work. Reason why is because you want to do your best not to reintroduce dirt into the surface of the panel. Flip the towel over and buff to a high gloss shine. As you see, there's dirt in here. It's picked up the dirt now. It's been about a couple weeks since I washed my vehicle. It's a silver vehicle, so it doesn't really show up dirt as much as other vehicles. But it's a pretty slick surface. Now, there's no waxes inside of the actual waterless wash itself, but there are UV polymers and protectants and all this jargon inside of it. Basically, it leaves behind a little bit of protection, similar to like a quick detailer, I would say, such as that. It's not carnauba, just kind of polymers inside of it. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go to the other side of the hood. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to wipe down. It's great lubrication. As I said, I'm not the biggest fan of these methods, only because I do have a pressure washer myself. I do use the foam cannon. I don't use 10 ounces of soap. I was being a little facetious about that. But as you can see, I mean, it picked up the dirt. It's picked up the dirt, and that is disgusting. So, I mean, there's a lot of dirt on the actual car. Didn't mar the vehicle at all. I mean, it looks like it's in great condition still. So, okay, great. So we wash the vehicle, or we wash the panel down. It's nice, it's smooth, it's slick, yada, yada, yada. But another great purpose or a great use for 3D's Waterless Car Wash or any waterless wash product that you can get a hold of is the fact that it works great as a clay lubricant. So I love, and actually my favorite purpose besides interiors of using 3D's Waterless Wash, I love to use it with some type of clay source. This is the Blackfire medium grade Clay towel, I picked it up at AutoGeek. They're actually like 25 bucks. They work very good. You don't have to spend $50, $60 on a clay mitt or a clay towel. 25 bucks gets the job done. I've used it on about 4 cars so far. Haven't had any issues. Haven't seen any marring yet. Maybe this will be the lucky one that I get starts to mar on, right? But I love to use it as a clay mitt. And so, you know, the clay bar process is very simple, very standard. You want to go ahead and make sure that there's enough lubrication on the clay surface itself. Go ahead. You want to mist down the panel. You want a good, proper amount of lubrication. In a case like this, you really can't go wrong. They say less is more in other cases. Well, for like this, you really want to reduce any swirls, scratches, or marring. So don't be afraid to go ahead and go across, you know, and to use a good amount of lubrication. But I love the waterless wash for this case, for these types of situations where I'm actually using it as a clay bar lubricant. You can use it for the bar, the mitt, the towel, the disc. The disc is another preferred method of mine. They just get a little pricey, but besides that, it gets the job done. You know, I don't like to overthink it, guys. I like to pretty much use what's necessary and go ahead, and I like to tackle it in the preferred method, but without being scared. You know what I mean? When it comes to detailing, there needs to be a proper amount of fear. But when I say fear, I mean respect. You want to respect the surface. You want to respect the panel. You want to respect what you're doing. So, you know, really use caution, but don't overthink it. Don't overanalyze it. Do what you need to do. Get the job done. So, you know, really, this surface is very, very smooth now. There's a little bit of protection from the 3D's waterless wash, but I wouldn't use it as protection. I'd still follow up some type of protectant. But as you can see, a product like this is effective. Now, why would you use something like this? It's very, very effective and very necessary. One, if you're starting up a detailing business and don't have the funds to be able to purchase your generator or, you know, your pressure washer or a water tank, or if you work out of a car and you don't want to deal with all that hassle, all those materials, it gets too much, it's too cumbersome. I completely understand, and I recommend it for a case like that. You can go ahead. Oh, about to fly away. Another case, another time when it might be necessary. Oh, my camera just fell. Let's get you back up there. You know what? Let's go ahead and talk. I'm done working, so let's go ahead and let's just talk for another minute and leave it as is. Another reason why it might be necessary for you is if you live in an area where it's raining outside a lot, which it rains down here a lot, but if you're trying to wash your car and it's always raining and you can't get it outside to wash it, a waterless wash is good because you could always do it inside. It's winter time right now. It's 70 degrees here in Fort Lauderdale, but if you're up north, Chicago, Ohio, West Coast, East Coast, wherever, if you're up north and it's raining a lot, or even Canada or other parts of the world, a waterless wash is effective because if it's snowing outside, you don't really want to use water because it's going to be very cold on your hands. Even if you wear gloves, it's very cold on the hands. It gets very cumbersome. There's too much to worry about. If you have arthritis or arthritical issues, the waterless wash can be good for you. In that case, you can work on it inside of the house or inside your garage. There's a lot of benefits to using a waterless wash. It's a product that can be used in many, many different scenarios, so it's a very versatile product. O&R is another product that people like. Now, that's a rinseless wash, but people use it as a waterless product as well. Waterless meaning I don't need to have a bucket full of water or soap to get the job done. Rinseless, you still need water, but at the same time, you do kind of limit the amount that you use, making you more eco-friendly, if that's even a care or a worry. But I'm going on too long right now. Basically, a product like this is good. It's effective. I don't use it all the time, but it is good to use. Now, in case you are wondering, can you use it as a quick detailer? Yes, you can. And in a case like that, you just go ahead, maybe 3 sprays on the panel. Now I'm holding it by hand. This is going to get a little awkward here, but you can just go ahead and wipe. And it's very easy to use. And you can see, like, the panel of the paint looks very good. It looks very good. The job is done. It's very smooth. You feel, you can look at it. You can't hear any contaminants. It's very good. We've assessed it appropriately. So it's a very effective product, guys. I'd say if you want to check out 3D's waterless car wash, go ahead. Other YouTubers are talking about it, so you can even get more insight from them. It's a great emulsificating product that emulsifies the dirt off the panel, off the surface that you're trying to clean. Very safe, very effective. It can be a little uncomfortable with all the towels that you might use, but that's user preference. If you're not worried about the panel of your paint, if you're not worried about swirls and scratches, you can use 2 towels and leave it at that. If you're worried about swirls and scratches, you might hit 6, 7, 8 towels, but it all depends on what you're trying to do, and it all depends on the results you're trying to get. Basically, a waterless wash can cater to every need that you have for the most part. We'll talk more about waterless washes in the future. We'll talk more about the pros and cons of it. But I just kind of wanted to show you again 3D's waterless car wash. Once again, this is like an old bottle. And it looks bad condition bottle, but I've had it for a long time, so you know, I just keep it on hand if I ever need it as a quick detail or interior cleaner or just interior wipe down. But we'll go ahead and we'll leave it at that, guys. Once again, my name is Bo Million from Million Reflections Luxury Automotive Detailing. Have a wonderful Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everyone out there, and see you guys next time. Take care.